Welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specifications. So students, we are into the topic of methods of building estimates. So we have found out that the dimensions, that is nothing but length, breadth and height or depth, are to be taken out from the drawing or plan, elevation and section. From the study of the drawings, the buildings is to be imagined and pictured in the mind, and the dimensions are to be taken out correctly. There is no hard and final rule for finding out dimensions from the drawing, but the dimensions are to be taken accurately. So understood students? So the thing is that from the junctions of the wall at the corners and at the meeting points of the wall requires special attention. So what happens is, for the symmetrical foundations, which is the usual case, okay, for the methods of building estimate, which is the usual case, earthwork in excavation in foundation or foundation in the concrete, and also brickwork in the foundation and the plinth and brickwork in superstructure may be estimated by the two methods. One method is long wall and short wall method, the other is center line method. Now let us see some detailed calculations which we have to use in long wall and short wall method. The name itself say long wall and short wall method. The other name for long wall and short wall method is separate or individual wall method. So what we do in this method is, we measure or find out the external length of the wall running in the longitudinal directions. Generally the long walls out to out walls will be considered as the long walls, and the internal walls we call it as short walls, which it runs in the transfer direction. What we do is, we calculate quantities and multiply with length and breadth and height of the wall. So what happens? The same rule applies to the excavation as well as for the foundation and masonry. One care we have to take, that is nothing but to take a note of difference in dimensions and difference in height in this for following things, that is for footings, for concreting and all. The length of long wall, which can be calculated in the problems, this can be done by using this formula. Now let us determine the length of the long wall. The length of the long wall, the formula is length of the long wall. We get the length of the long wall by center to center length plus what we can say, center to center length plus 1 breadth. If the plan is symmetrical, we get the formula of length of long wall as center to center length plus 1 breadth, whereas length of short wall we get as center to center length minus 1 breadth. This is nothing but the two formulas which we use for the determination of length of long wall and length of short wall. This method, which is nothing but long wall or short wall method or individual method, can be worked out in a quicker way. For long walls, the length of the foundation trench or the length of wall, that is nothing but out to out, in the same manner as explained above, it should be found out. The foundation concrete is in the same for the length of the first footing or final first step of the brickwork, which we can use it with this formula. So now let us solve one example based on this long wall and short wall method, or we can also call it as separate or individual wall method. For the beginning of this, you should remember that the first is nothing but The first step is identification of long wall and short wall. First is identification of what are long walls and what are short walls, and second is applying of length. Apply length formula. What we need to do? We need to apply the length formula. We need to apply the length formula. Now let us see one example on long wall and short wall method. How to solve a given problem based on long wall and short wall method. So this is the question given to you. The plan represents the plan of superstructure wall of a single room building of 5 meters into 4 meters, and the section, what are the dimensions of the rectangular plot? 5 meters by 4 meters. This is nothing but our dimensions, 5 meters by 4 meters. You can see it over here. See, this length is 5 meters and this length is 4 meters, 5 into 4 meters, and the section represents the cross section of the wall with foundation. What we need to do? Estimate the quantities of the first what we need to calculate. First of all, we need to calculate earthwork in excavation in foundation. What all for laying the foundation, what earthwork has to be excavated, we need to find it out that. Then after the excavation, we need to pour the PCC, that is concrete in foundation. The second step is to find the quantity of concrete in the foundation. Third step is brickwork in the foundation and plinth. What do we call it? Plinth. Whatever the area is below the ground level, we call it as plinth. Below ground level, from the ground level to the foundation. Plinth is from what we can say, the foundation is till ground level, above, from ground level to base, we can say. The area which exists is nothing but it is the plinth area. Fourth, we need to find out the brickwork in superstructure. So this quantity, what the estimate, the quantities which we are estimating, this all quantities has to be taken out. This all quantities of this plot with this cross section we need to determine. So first thing is to determine the length of long wall, and the second thing is to determine the length of short wall. So let us first determine the length of long wall. How to determine the length of step 1? What is step 1? Determination of long wall and short wall. What is the length of long wall? Length of long wall is center to center distance plus 1 breadth. 1 breadth becomes nothing but length of long wall. Second is, so what is the length of long wall over here? Every time what we need to do for excavation and everything, we need to do this. Length of short wall is equal to center to center distance minus 1 breadth. 1 breadth. Okay. So what is center to center distance? As you can see it over here, the center to center distance in x direction. In x direction, the center to center distance is 5.30 meters. 5.30 meters. Whereas the center to center direction in y direction is 4.30 meter, as the thickness of the wall is 30 centimeter. So now what we need to do is we need to draw a table, okay, and fill the quantities in that table. So let us see how to draw the table and how the quantities has to be filled over here. So once again, how we got this length of long wall, which I have said it as here the long wall is this which we can say AB. AB is, suppose this is the point A, this AB plane is nothing but long wall, CD plane is nothing but it is a short wall. So how we have got this center to center distance, how we have got center to center distance of long wall, center to center distance of long wall is nothing but inner to inner length. How much is the inner to inner length? 5 meter, 5 meter plus half the breadth of the thickness of the wall, that is nothing but 0.15 meters plus over here again we have half the breadth 0.15 meter. The total length is 30 centimeter. If we divide 30 centimeter by 2, it is nothing but 15 centimeter. If we convert 15 centimeter to meters, it is nothing but 0.15 meters. So it is nothing but 5.30 meters. Similarly, center to center distance of short wall. How to find out center to center distance of short wall? Same method. 4 meters is the inner to inner distance plus thickness, half thickness of the wall 0.15 meter plus 0.15 meter. It stands to 4.30 meters is nothing but center to center distance of the short wall. So to fill the quantities, what all we need to do? We need to find out the earthwork in excavation in foundation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation and plinth, and brickwork in superstructure. So first of all, we will start with the tables. Here we will write the particulars. Here we will write numbers, numbers of long wall, numbers of short wall. Here we will write length. Okay, this is nothing but breadth. This is height. This we call it as quantity, and here we call it as remarks. Here we will write it as remarks. Okay, so this is nothing but this. Everything should be in meters. This is in meters. This is in meters. This is in meters. This become quantity. Quantity is in the terms of meter cube. Particulars and numbers. So first of all, what it is? Earthwork in foundation. Earthwork of excavation. Earthwork, what it is? Earthwork in excavation in foundation. Okay. So earthwork in foundations, we have long wall, we have short wall. How many long walls are there? Here we have 2 long walls in our figure. How many long wall? This is nothing but long wall 1. This is our long wall 2. This is short wall 1. This is short wall 2. So quantities, when we talk about these quantities, how many long walls we have? We have about 2 long walls and we have about 2 short walls. Okay. So now let us go back to our figure. What is the length? To decide this length, we need to go for long wall formula. As we know, length of long wall. What is the length of long wall? Length of long wall formula is center to center distance plus 1 breadth. Center to center distance plus 1 breadth. What is the center to center distance? 5.3 meter is the center to center distance, and this breadth you will get it from here. The breadth of the foundation in excavation is 90 centimeter, which is nothing but 0.9 meters. What it is? what do we call it as 90 centimeter? How to convert this 90 centimeter to meter? We get it as 0.90 meters. The total will be 0.9. The total will be 6.20 meter. The length of long wall. What is the length of long wall? 6.20 meter. Similarly, length of short wall. Length of short wall is equal to center to center distance minus 1 breadth. Minus 1 breadth. What is the center to center distance? 4.3 is the center to center distance minus 0.9. So how much it stands? 4.3 minus 0.9 is 3.40, which is 3.40 meters. So here we will write it as 3.40 meters. Breadth, as we know that it is nothing but 0.9. Here also 0.9. This all we are getting it from this figure. So what is the height of the excavation? Height of the excavation is till ground level. This, see, till this ground level. We need to add this 0.30, 90 centimeter. So the height also becomes 0.9 meters. 0.9. We call it as height or depth. It is nothing but height or depth also. Okay, 0.9. So what we need to do is we need to multiply these quantities. What we need to do? We need to multiply the quantities. If we multiply these quantities, which quantity? This 2 into 6.20 into 0.9 into 0.9. We get the value in Q table. We get the value over here. What is the value? 2 into 6.20, 2 into 6.20 into 0.9 into 0.9, we get the value as 10.04 meter cube. We get the value as 10.04 meter cube we get. Similarly, if we multiply this 2 into 3.40 into 0.9 into 0.9, we get it around 5.51 meter cube. If we add these two, over here, what happens? 10.04 plus 5.51, the quantity of the earthwork which we need to take in the excavation will becomes 15.55. 15.55 is nothing but the quantity of earthwork in excavation, which is the quantity of earthwork in excavation. By this method, we take the value. So we have successfully calculated the quantity of earthwork in excavation. Now what we need to do is we need to find out the quantity of concrete in foundation. See which quantity we are talking here about. This quantity, as you can see, which I am shading it out over here, this quantity. So this much area of the foundation is covered with concrete. So it is the same second one. Now our second particular is concrete in foundation. Concrete in foundation. Same long wall, short wall. How many long walls we have? 2. Short walls we have 2. The concrete, whatever the trench we have dug over here, that has to be filled with concrete. So similarly, length of long wall, center to center distance 5.3 plus 0.9, which is 6.20. length of short wall 4.3 minus 0.9 is equal to 3.4 meters. This we need to substitute it over 6.20, and the length of short wall is 3.40. Now what is the breadth? Breadth is the same. Look at the figure. What is the breadth of concrete? Same, 0.9. You can see over here the breadth becomes 0.9 only. The breadth of concrete which we need to fill is how much? 0.9 itself. Height. What is the height? Height is 30 centimeter. Just look this area. This area is how much? 30 centimeter. So 0. This is 0.3. Similarly here also 0.9 and 0.3. Again what we need to do? We need to multiply all these three things. What happens if we multiply all these three things? Which three things I am talking about? This all four things has to be multiplied. This all has to be multiplied and has to be written here. So what happens? What will be the value? The value will be concrete in foundation 2 into 6.20 into 0.9 into 0.3. The value will be 3.35 over here, 3.35, and 2 into 3.4 into 0.9 into 0.3, it is 1.83. So if we add these two values, we will get the value around 5.18 meter cube. We get the value around 5.18 meter cube. So the concrete, the quantity of the concrete in the foundation, the quantity of concrete in the foundation is how much? 5.18 meter cube. 5.18 meter cube is the quantity of concrete in the foundation. Now what we need to do? We need to find out the brickwork in foundation and the plinth. What we need to do? We need to find out the plinth work, brickwork in foundation and plinth. So our third particular, again fill out over here. This is this table particular. This is nothing but numbers, length, breadth, height or depth, quantity, remarks. Height or depth and remarks. So what is our third particular? Third particular is brickwork. Third, brickwork in foundation and plinth. Foundation and plinth. So as we can see over here, long walls and short walls. We have long wall and short wall. How many foundations we have got it over here? We have got about 3 foundation, 1, 2 and 3. How many? 2 foundations we have, and we have 1 plinth over here. Okay. So brickwork in first foundation we have, second foundation we have, and we have plinth. Okay. So long wall, brickwork in first foundation, brickwork in second foundation, brickwork in plinth. Similarly, in short wall also, we have the above same quantities. Brickwork in first foundation, brickwork in second foundation, brickwork in plinth. So How many long walls we have? We have 2 long walls. We have 2 short walls. Okay. So, this quantities is also 2, 2 and 2. Similarly, we will write this quantities also. Okay. We need not go for this. It is not needed. What is not needed is these two we don't need. Okay. Now look at the length of the first foundation. What is the formula? Center to center length plus 1 breadth is equal to, we will find out this value. How to find out this value? Center to center distance is 5.3 plus 1 breadth. What is the breadth of first foundation? Look at over here, it is 60 meters. The breadth of the first foundation is 60 centimeters. So, 60 centimeters if we convert, we get it as 0.6 meters. Similarly, this is for first foundation. Second foundation, center to center plus 1 breadth, 5.3 plus, what is the length of second foundation? It is 0.5, 50 centimeter over here. So, we write it over here as 0.5 meters. Similarly, third one, center to center plus 1 breadth, 5.3. What is the width of plinth? 0.4 meters. So, this becomes, the length becomes 5.9 meters, 5.8 meters, 5.7 meters. It becomes 5.7 meters. This all we need to substitute it over here. So, what it is? 5.9. Here we have 5.8. Here we have 5.3. What is the breadth? 0.6. Here 0.5. This is 0, not 6. Here we have 0.4. Now, go for the heights. What is the height of first foundation? 30 centimeter. Height of second foundation? 30 centimeter. Height of plinth? 60 centimeter. We need to insert those values. The first foundation is 0.3 meters. Second is also 0.3 meters. The height we have 0.6. The plinth height is 0.6. Now, what we need to do? We need to multiply all these 4 quantities. Now, what we need to do? We need to multiply all these 4 quantities and write it over here. What happens? What are the results? 2 into 5.9 into 0.6. 2 into 5.9 into 0.6 into 0.3. It will be 2.13 meter cube. The next will be 2 into 5.8 into 0.5 into 0.3, it will be around 1.74 meter cube. 2 into 5.3 into 0.4 into 0.6 will be around 2.74 meters. So, 2.74 meters. So, what we need to do? We need to fill it over here also. So, again we will insert the formulas. The same formulas with the minus symbols. What we need to include? We need to include the minus symbols over here. So, first one, center to center minus 1 breadth, 5.3 minus 0.6. Second one, 5.3 minus 0.5. Sorry, this is not 5.3. The length of short wall, center to center distance of short wall is how much? It is 0.5 the center to center distance minus 1 breadth. Center to center distance is 4.3. What is the center to center distance? 4.3. 4.3 minus 0.6. 4.3 minus 0.5. 4.3 minus 0.4. What will be the values? That values we need to insert it at the length position. What we need to do? We need to insert it in at the length position. So how much it is? 4.3 minus 0.6. It becomes 3.70. 3.70. This becomes 3.60. Sorry, this becomes 3.80. This becomes 3.90. 3.90 meters. So include it over here. 3.70, 3.80, 3.90. Similarly, breadth is 0.6, 0.5, 0.4. Height remains same, 0.3, 0.3, 0.6. When we multiply these values, which values? The given 4 values, when we multiply, we get the when we multiply these 4 values, okay, what we will get? When we multiply 2 into 3.70, 2 into 3.70 into 0.6 into 0.3, we get the value as 1.33. Okay, 2 into 3.80 into 0.5 into 0.3, we get the value around 1.14. So 2 into 3.80 into 0.5 into 0.3, the value will be 1.14. The value will be 1.14. Similarly, 2 into 3.90 into 0.4 into 0.6, the value will be 1.87. If we add all the above, these all 4 quantities, if we add all these 4 quantities, when we add this all 6 quantities, the total will be 10.95. This 10.95 is nothing but it is the quantity of brickwork. It is the quantity of brickwork in foundation and plinth. It is a quantity of brickwork in foundation and plinth of long wall and short wall, together. Here we have long wall, again here we have short wall. For both long wall and short wall, brickwork in foundation and plinth can be found out by this method, and it stands to be 10.95 meters. See what all we have done. We have found out the earthwork in excavation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation. Now last but not the least, brickwork in superstructure. Last we need to find out is brickwork in superstructure. So we'll fill this particulars, numbers, length, breadth, height or depth, quantity, remarks. So now brickwork in superstructure, 4th one. Brickwork in superstructure. What do we mean by superstructure? The length which is above the plinth level to the roof level, we call it as superstructure. superstructure. So long wall and short wall. We have long wall, we have short wall. We have two long walls and two short wall. Now what we need to do? Same length of long wall. What is the length of long wall? Center to center distance plus 1 breadth. What is the center to center distance? 5.3 plus what is the 1 breadth over here? The thickness of the wall is 0.3 meters. What it is? 0.3 meters. For short wall we have center to center minus 1 breadth, 4.3 minus 0.3. So this stands at, the first one we have got it as 5.6, the last we have got it as 4.0. Substitute this 2 over here in the length. We have 5.6, 4.0. What is the breadth? 0.3, 0.3. Now this we need to see. What is the height of the superstructure? Height of the superstructure is 3.50 meter. That we need to include it over here. 3.50. 3.50. Now calculate the value. Now what we need to do? We need to calculate the value. Multiply all this, 2 into 2.56 into 0.3 into 3.50. We get it as 11.76 for long wall and 8.40 for short wall. If we add this, total is 20.16. How much it is? 20.16 meter cube. This is nothing but brickwork, the quantity of brickwork in superstructure, the quantity of brickwork in superstructure. I hope you people have understood this, how to calculate the quantities using long wall and short wall method. Once again, look at over here, the question is given to us, this plan and section diagram will be given to us. What we need to do is, just we need to find out the quantities, the earthwork in excavation and foundation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation and plinth, brickwork in superstructure. In the first slide, what we have done, we have found out center to center length and length of long wall and length of short wall. So in the first table, in the initial part of the table, we have found out earthwork in excavation and we have also found out the concrete in foundation. This both will be same, just the difference will be the difference in height, just this two difference in there is a difference in this column, rest all will be same, the rest all will be same. The next is brickwork in foundation and plinth. Long wall we have to do it separately, short wall we have to do it separately. After finding this, we have found out last but not the least brickwork in superstructure. By this method, what we do is we find out the quantities of excavation, brickwork and concrete for an given building. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.